Now the note is that factorization can be more difficult, especially if the coefficient of x square is greater than 1. And we have studied also the factorization method when we have the coefficient of x square other than 1. We have studied or not?
Yes.
Okay. So in this case, we have to multiply this coefficient by this number, that will be equals to minus 10, and also the central term is minus 9, and after that we have to find the pair, in which when we multiply the pair your answer will be minus 10, and when we add this pair your answer will be minus 9. So the pair is minus 10 and plus 1. If we multiply these two numbers your answer will be minus 10, and if we add these two numbers your answer will be minus 9. So again we just replace this pair in the place of minus 9x, so it will becomes 2x square minus 10x plus 1x minus 5 is equals to 0. So you can take the common from first two terms, that is 2x, it will becomes x minus 5. Again uh, 1 from the second two terms, that will becomes x minus 5 is equals to 0. So now your solution will be x minus 5, that is taken common from these two terms, because we have now these two terms, and the rest terms are 2x plus 1, right? This is equals to 0. So he just skipped these two steps, so your answer will be 2x plus 1 and x minus 5 is equals to 0. Again the multiplication of these two numbers is equals to 0. It means that the first number is equals to 0 or the second number is equals to 0. So when we put the values, when we find the values eliminating x, your value, first value is minus 1 over 2, your second value is 5. So if we check these two solutions are the solutions of this equation or not, we have to put these values, because here we have x is equals to minus 1 over 2, so we put the value as minus 1 over 2. How? 2 times minus 1 over 2 square, right, minus 9 times minus 1 over 2 minus 5 is equals to 0. So you can see that minus 1 over 2 has the square, so you can write it as 1 over 2 into 1 over 4. Minus 1 over 2 has the square, that is 1 over 4, and this minus are multiplied, and your answer will be 9 over 2 minus 5 is equals to 0, right? Again this will becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so it will becomes 1 over 2 plus 9 over 2 minus 5 is equals to 0. If we just add first these two fractions by taking LCM, it will becomes 1 plus 9 minus 5 is as it is equals to 0. So it will becomes 10 over 2 minus 5 is equals to 0. So 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. So your left hand side is equals to 0 and your right hand side is also equals to 0. Understand? It means that minus 1 over 2 is the solution of this equation. Now for x is equals to 5, when we put x is equals to 5, it means that 2 times 5 square is 25 minus 9 times 5 minus 5 is equals to 0, right? So 25 multiplied by 2, that will be equals to 50 minus 45 9 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 45. Minus 5 is equals to 0. Now you can see that left hand side is 0 and right hand side will also be equals to 0. So that's why these two numbers are the solution of this given equation, right? Now in the next line you can see that some quadratics contains only two terms, not three. So in previous we have solved a quadratic equation in which three terms are involved, involving term x square, and x terms has a coefficient and also the constant term. But now we do the examples in which quadratic equation has only two solutions. If the constant term at the end is missing, then all you need to do is take out a common factor of x. So that's very simple. If we don't have any term in constant term, so we have to find, we just take the common as x. For example, this is your equation, 10x square minus 4x is equals to 0. First of all, you check that what can be taken as common from these two terms. So it will be 2x as taken as common. So 2x into 5x minus 2. So here you can see that this is an a number, this is also a number. So the multiplication of these two numbers is equals to 0. It means that 2x number is equals to 0 or 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. So when we put 2x is equals to 0, your answer will be x is equals to 0. When we put 5x minus 2 is equals to 0, your answer will be x is equals to 2 over 5 by eliminating x. Now we have also two solutions, and we can check the solution is of this equation is true or not by putting the values. First of all, we have to put x is equals to 0. So when we put x is equals to 0, it will becomes 10 times 0 square minus 4 times 0 is equals to 0. So you can see that 10 times 0 square is 0, minus 4 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0, and 10 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. That's why this is the solution of the given equation. Also for 2 over 5, you can see that 10 times 2 over 5 square minus 4 times 2 over 5, okay, is equals to 0. So you can see that 10 times 4 over 25, when we take the square minus, it will becomes 8 over 5 is equals to 0. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8 over 5 minus 8 over 5, right, is equals to 0. So 0 on the left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. Now you can see that by putting these two both solutions in this equation, we have the left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That's why the both are the solutions of this equation. Understand this example or not?
Yes.
Do you have any problem in these two uh, yes, these two examples?
No.
Okay.